Hello everyone, and welcome to our story time. Let's read a new story today. The title of the story is The Ugly Duckling. Let's start. It is summer. Mother Duck has got 6 eggs. 5 eggs break, and 5 yellow ducklings come out. But the 6th egg doesn't break. "Oh dear, this egg is very big," says Mother Duck. Later, the 6th egg breaks. A big, grey duckling comes out. "Oh no, this duckling is ugly," shouts Mother Duck. "Come on, ducklings, come on, let's go and visit the hen," says Mother Duck. She looks at the ugly duckling and she says, "Walk behind your brothers and sisters. I don't want anyone to see you. You are ugly." The ugly duckling is sad. The hen sees the ducklings and she sees the ugly duckling too. The hen laughs. "Ha ha 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 ha. "Look, look, that duckling is silly," said the hen. "He has got short legs. He's grey. His beak is silly. And he is an ugly duckling." Everybody laughs. Ha 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 ha. The ugly duckling is very sad. The next day the ugly duckling leaves. He's crying because nobody likes him. He walks and walks and he sees some insects. Bzzz. "Hello," he says, "hello." But the insect don't talk to the ugly duckling. Later, he sees some birds. "You are funny. We like you," they say. There is a loud noise. "It's a big dog," the birds shout. They fly away. The ugly duckling is afraid. He hides in the grass. And the big dog runs into the grass. It sees the ugly duckling. It smells the ugly duckling, but it goes away. "The dog doesn't like me because I'm ugly," says the ugly duckling. The ugly duckling walks and works. He sees a house, and an old woman lives in the house. She's cooking. The ugly duckling can smell the food. That food smells good. I'm hungry," he says. The old woman looks at the ugly duckling. "Oh, you're a funny duckling," she says. "Are you hungry? Eat, eat this food." The ugly duckling eats the food. Now he's happy. But a cat and a hen live with old women. They're bad. "We don't like you," says the cat. "You are ugly," says the hen. "Go away, ugly duckling," they say. The ugly duckling is sad again, and he leaves the house. Now it's autumn, it's cold. The ugly duckling works and works. He looks at the sky and sees some white birds. are beautiful. The ugly duckling likes the white birds. Hello, hello, he shouts. But the white birds don't hear the ugly duckling. They are flying in the sky. The ugly duckling wants to fly, but his wings are too small. Now it's winter, it's very cold, and there is lots of snow. The ugly duckling is very tired and he's hungry. One day the ugly duckling sees a man. The man wants to catch the ugly duckling. Come here, little bird. I wanna eat you, says the man. The ugly duckling jumps. Look, he can fly. He can fly. The winter months are long and cold. The ugly duckling is very sad and hungry. But now it is sunny. It's spring. The white birds come back. Those birds are beautiful, but I'm ugly, says the ugly duckling. The ugly duckling wants to talk to the white birds. He wants some friends. Hello, I'm ugly, but please be my friends, he says. The white birds smile. They like the ugly duckling. Hello, little brother, say the white birds. Brother? I'm not your brother, says the ugly duckling. You're beautiful, but I'm ugly. You aren't ugly. Look at your face in the water, say the white birds. The ugly duckling looks in the water. He sees his face. His face. He's very surprised. He isn't ugly anymore. He isn't ugly. He's a beautiful white bird. The ugly duckling is a swain. Three children sees the swains. Look, look, they say, there is a new swain. He is very beautiful. The new swain is shy. He hides his face under his wings. The children give the swains some bread. Now the new swain smiles. The children like him. He isn't ugly. He's a beautiful white swain. I'm a swain, he shouted. The new swain remembers all the sad days, but he isn't angry. Everybody loves the new swain. He has got lots of friends. He is very happy.